Hi friends, today I am going to make white sauce pasta, and for white sauce pasta what you need is macaroni which is pre-boiled. This is 4 cups of macaroni which has been boiled earlier, 2 cups of carrot which has been diced and chopped into small pieces. This is 2 cups of French beans which has been diced and chopped into small pieces, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I am making this pasta for my family as a breakfast, so that is why I have taken so much. But then of course you will need to vary the quantity depending on for how many people you are making it. And for all this we also need the white sauce, which is here. This white sauce has the black pepper already put into it. So this is white sauce which I have made out of 4 glasses of milk. 4 glasses of milk meaning at least 1 liter of milk. And this white sauce I am going to add now. First the French beans. Now these French beans, I will cook them with the white sauce for some time so that they will retain the crunch. At the same time they will cook well. And as I will keep on cooking, you will find the black pepper that I have put already into this will dissolve as we keep cooking. So you really need not worry about it. And this, how to make this white sauce, I have already made another video which you can watch to know how to make white sauce. Having cooked the beans for a while, we'll keep on cooking, say for about 1 minute. Boil, I'm going to add the carrot. Now carrots cook quickly, so I really need not worry too much about it. Before I put macaroni, I'm going to add the salt. Now, this is 2 teaspoons of salt, and I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt only because this is 4 glasses of milk, 1 glass being 250 ml or 1 liter of milk. Now is the time to add the macaroni. And it is good to go. I will transfer it into the dish. White sauce pasta is ready. It is good to serve a family of 4. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please share your comments, views, and if you like this video, please do share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much.